No more having to remember the word password. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Imagine a world where you didn't have to remember passwords. No more sticky notes, no more forgot password stress, and no more worrying about whether your account is secure enough. Today, we'll go through what passwordless security means and how you can use it step by step. Traditionally, we use passwords to protect our accounts, but passwords can be hard to remember, easy to guess, and sometimes stolen. Passwordless security replaces passwords with something you have, for example, your phone, or something you are, like your fingerprint or your face. It's not just safer, it's simpler. If you are new to this, that's okay. You don't have to be tech savvy. We'll go slowly and you can pause any time. So let's go through a simple 10-step path to help you transition. Passwordless methods include fingerprint scan, facial recognition, or receiving a login prompt from your phone. Most modern smartphones, tablets, and laptops support passwordless features like biometrics or PIN-based login. Start by securing your device with a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. This becomes your first layer of protection. Keeping your devices updated ensures you have the latest security features. Many services now offer passkeys or sign in with your device. Choose the option that feels easiest for you. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. Passkeys are secure digital keys stored on your device. They replace passwords entirely and work with your fingerprint or face. Some services send a notification to your phone. You simply tap approve. No typing needed. Try logging in a few times. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Set up a backup method like a secondary device or recovery code, just in case you lose access to your main device. Technology evolves, but you don't need to keep up with everything. Just knowing the basics and that help is available is enough. It's normal to feel unsure about typing something new, but passwordless security is designed to make your life easier, not harder. You're not giving up control. You're gaining a safer, simpler way to access your digital world. Here's a few quick tips. Keep your phone charged and nearby. Don't share your device with strangers, and ask a trusted friend or support service if you need help. Digital security doesn't have to be complicated. Step by step, you can move toward a future where logging in is quick, safe, and stress-free. And remember, you are not alone on this journey. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experience learning online safety in the comments below and tell us how OneConnect programs have helped you build your digital confidence. Get in touch with our staff. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from OneConnect. Thanks for watching.